Hey y'all, welcome back. Can you believe it is September? I cannot believe that it is the 9th month of the year. This year has absolutely flown by. The summer flew by just before our eyes, and now we are coming upon our fall season. So fall actually starts with 31 on September 1st. So excited for you to see this brand new catalog, and I have so many things to share with you about the month of September in this video. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Mark this video because it has everything that you need to know for the month of September. So thankful that you are here watching today. So I'm going to break this video kind of down into 4 separate categories. For those interested in joining with a business opportunity, those that are interested in hosting a party for our customers, and for our consultants. So let's get started and chat about enrolling in the month of September. So if you're interested in the business opportunity with 31, this is just a great season to join because we are coming upon our busiest selling season as consultants, because we've got fall launching, our holiday collection is launching on October 1st. And so everyone is shopping for the holidays. So this is a great time to launch your business. So our fall enrollment kits actually launched a month early in August, but we do have we have 2 different enrollment kits currently. So we have our $50 kit and our $150 kit. So this is our first enrollment kit here, that $50 level. And each kit you are going to receive our top selling products. So we're setting you up for success from the very beginning. So you'll see that there. But just think about the enrollment process and what you want to achieve from your 31 business. So whether you want to make extra money, especially for the holidays, pay for those gifts, right? Or you just need something for you just want to get out of the house. Maybe you want a way to be able to give back. There are so many opportunities with 31, and I would love for you to consider us and helping you launch your business and reach your goals. So if you're watching today and you already have a consultant of your own, please chat with her about the business opportunities. She'll be able to answer any questions that you have. If you do not have a 31 consultant that you work with and you're in the United States, I would love to chat with you, answer your questions, and just see if 31 is going to be a fit for you. And then also we have our new consultant program called our AMP Jumpstart. And this is where you can earn products just by working your business. So you can earn products in your first 30 days and in your first 90 days as a consultant. So these are just added products that have come in addition to your enrollment kit when you submit either $300 in your first 90 days or 30 days, $500 in your first 30 days, and then these are the products that are in your first 90 days. You also have the option or the ability to earn a free website for 2 months, which is basically the lifeline of your business. So love for you to consider the 31 business opportunity. All right, and then next let's chat about hosting a party in the month of September. So y'all know that we have an amazing Hostess Rewards program, and we have a new catalog, so that means we have new Hostess exclusives too. I'm going to show you one in just a second. But you start earning Hostess Rewards at the $200 level. That's a minimum for 31. You start earning there, and then at each $100 level, you earn a little bit more and a little bit more. Now, the minimum goal for my hostesses is a $500 party because we want to reward her for sure. She kind of basically at that $500 level doubles her rewards from that $200 level. And then at that $1,000 party is our ultimate goal, and she'll even double her rewards again. So, but if you're a hostess, and if you are a hostess, if your party reaches the $500 level in the month of September, you are going to earn the, I want to get this, I always get it backwards, the thermal market bag for $20. Now, this is mine from last year, so this print is not current, but I still wanted to show you. So it's going to come in the mulberry print, and I think like a yellow, like a honey yellow. I can't remember the name of it now, but this is the thermal market bag. It's really cool. So think about how you could use this. You could use this for work. I made a video on this last year, and I'll link it above so you can watch the detailed video of this. But this front section right here is, where's the zipper? The front section is a thermal pocket. So just think when you're out and about, maybe on a Saturday. So this thermal section here is in the front, and then you've got nice big handles right here. The middle section is kind of like an open tote. You can see that I have a 3-ring binder in there. And then on the back, you've got 3 dividers here. So you could do 3 bottles of wine, 3 bottles of cider. You can see I have a bottle of wine in the middle, and then there are 2 𝑡ℎ𝑖𝑟𝑒 tumblers on each side. And there's even a little kind of hook right here. If you wanted to hook, like if you're at a farmer's market, you want to hook a bouquet of flowers there. I think that's super cute. So you can, if your party reaches the $500 level in the month of September, you can grab that for $20. It's an $89 value, which is really great. Also, an added perk for our September hostesses, okay? If your party reaches the $1,000 level in the month of September, you are going to earn a free hostess exclusive, a free one. You're not even gonna have to pay for one. It could be our most expensive one. So we've got, I'm gonna show you the catalog. So our luggage, you can grab one of our luggage bundles for free. Our tote bundle, I'll show you that in just a second. We have packing cubes only available for our hostesses, and even a trunk organizer. You can choose one for free. And pretty much if the hostess exclusive can be personalized, you get it personalized for free as well. So one of the hostess exclusives that I wanted to share with you is called the Tote All Bundle. So you're going to receive this is the new signature tote. You're going to receive a signature tote, 2 of the tote organizers, and a slim wallet. Now, the hostess exclusive signature tote is going to have like a perforated look right here. I just don't have my hands on that one yet. But this is the one in black that's available for customers. But you've got the trolley sleeve right here, so you can slide this over your rolling luggage. Cell phone pocket here. And then on the inside, I do have one of the tote organizers. I'm going to pull it out and show you that in just a second. But oh gosh, I'm not prepared. But you've got the 2 flat interior pockets, a zipper pocket, and then right here, you see this? Well, this is actually supposed to be snapped right in there, but I made a video with this the other day and forgot to snap it back. But you're gonna receive that in there as well. And this is called the commuter tote organizer. So you saw that it just fits perfectly in there. I do have a video coming about this, so definitely check that out. Plus, this comes with a slim wallet. So I would probably, if I had a $1,000 party in the month of September, this is probably the one that I would want to grab because like it's an amazing bundle. So definitely host in the month of September so you can get that for free with a $1,000 party. And plus, I said we got new exclusives. Okay, so let's chat about our customers in the month of September. So we've got a brand new catalog, y'all. A brand new catalog, brand new products, lots of purses, lots of totes. I'm so excited over this one. So fun to shop with all of the new things. Our customer special, our 50/50 customer special is remaining throughout the end of the year, which we're really excited about that. So it's for every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item. So for every 50 you spend, you get a 50% off item. So treat your shopping cart as your wish list, and you'll see all of those items that are going to discount at 50% off for you. Also, y'all know that we are celebrating our 20th anniversary this year with 31. And so we're doing something we've never done before, and it's called Bag Bucks, okay? So what this is, if you shop from September 5th through the 8th, so September 5th through the 8th, that's 3 full days. If you spend $100 during those dates, then you're going to earn 20 bag bucks to spend in October 1st through the 15th, okay? So September 5th through the 8th, if you spend $100, you're going to receive $20, free $20 to spend October 1st through the 15th. Now, something that is super important about this, okay? You have to be logged in to your 31 account on my website. Okay, so you'll say like customer login. You have to be logged in when you place that order because that's how 31 is keeping track, and that's how they'll add that $20 reward to your account in October. Okay, so if you do not have a customer account created, just go to my website. I'll link it below, and then you can go to like log in and you can create an account. Make sure you keep up with your password. I don't have access to your password, so you have to keep up with your login and your password. So it's super important that you're logged in as a customer when you do your order. So that's September 5th through the 8th. Also, during those same dates, September 5th through the 8th, our Halloween collection is going to be marked 60% off or more. I don't know how to say that, but That's also the same date, September 5th through the 8th. The Halloween collection will be 60% off. The Halloween collection is here through October 31st, but we're just putting it on sale in these a few days, okay? And we do have a few bring back Halloween prints as well. So definitely grab those first. And then for our customers, our bundle and save. So we are still bringing that back in this new catalog, but we've added some new ones to our bundle and save. So when you're on the website, go to the sale tab and then go to bundle and save, and you'll see these. So if you grab them as the bundle, then you will get them at a discount. So never before has our large utility totes been a bundle and save item, and they are in this catalog. Same for the littles carry-all caddy, and same for the zipper pouches. No, we may have had zipper pouches before, but so in their bundle and save, we have the large utility totes, medium utility totes, littles carry-all caddies, essential storage totes, zipper pouches, and our photo key fobs are back in this catalog. So these are bundle and save. So these are our photo key fobs. This is me and my little girl. So I'm excited about that. Okay, and the last but definitely not least are our consultants. So here is all of the things for you as an active 31 consultant for the month of September, okay? So we, every month this year, we have had a sales incentive. So if you submit a certain amount of sales or personal volume, you earn a new product, okay? So in the month of September, if the consultants submit $500 in personal volume, they are going to receive the brand new relaxed crossbody for free. So here is mine in the navy print. I am loving this new crossbody. So this is the navy. It comes in caramel. It comes in several prints. You can see that I did the feather personalization in navy and in platinum. So you got a pocket here on the front. You've got our signature cell phone pocket here on the back. You do have a zipper closure on the top. A Benjamin's wallet will fit in here. And you've got two flat interior pockets and a built-in zipper pocket with an adjustable crossbody strap. So this is a relaxed crossbody, and consultants can earn it for free in the month of September with $500 in personal volume submitted. Also, 31 has given us a challenge, a company-wide challenge, to submit 8,000 parties in the month of September, which we're excited about. Plus, we are having a company-wide mega party. So that is going to be September 5th through the 8th. So several consultants are helping with this company-wide mega party with product posts, with videos. And so we as consultants can add our hostesses and their guests to this party page, and it is going to be a lot of fun. So that is September 5th through the 8th as well. Do you remember those dates? Because something else is happening during those dates. We've got the bag bucks and the Halloween collection is on sale during those same days. I wonder why they did that. So company-wide mega party is September 5th through the 8th. Also, if you're an active 31 consultant, a big perk for us is that we get to shop the new products that are coming before they launch. So our holiday collection is launching on October 1st. So customers can purchase on October 1st, but as an active 31 consultant, we get to shop the new coming, so we get to shop it early in September. So the holiday collection, we get to get for 40% off, which is really great. Also, and we can earn the sorry, my mouth is getting dry. We can earn the cotton candy, that pink luggage, for free if we sponsor and qualify 3 new consultants in their first 30 days. So that is from August 1st through October 31st. And then we are also celebrating, like I said, our 20th anniversary. So we are giving away a Tesla 3. And so we can earn entries into that drawing for every $500 that we submit as in personal volume or sales. So for every $500 that you submit from August 1st through September 30th, your name gets put in the drawing, which is really great. And then we're also still in the earning period for our Disney and Paris incentive trip. So I know that was a lot that I threw at you, but so much going on in the month of September. So let me know in the comments what you are most excited about, whether joining as a consultant hosting a party in the month of September, being a customer in the month of September, or if you are a consultant, let me know what you are most excited about. If you haven't already watched the video, I'll link it at the end to share about my gift club that I am running. And so I have a few spots left in my gift club, so would love to have you. I'll put that at the very end. But I hope that y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to a wonderful September. All right.